This model was created with a high-precision, all-in-one automated machine for multi-material manufacturing, combining both additive and subtractive technologies. This revolutionizing technology has been built as part of the European-funded project Kraken. Capable of producing parts of up to 20 meters long, the Kraken machine has automatically interchangeable additive and subtractive heads, the capacity to achieve high quality and accurate results, including internal and difficult-to-reach areas, and effective control over thermal stress and deformation. As part of the Kraken project, a fast-curing polyurethane paste specially designed for high-performance additive manufacturing and a new dedicated resin extrusion process have been developed. The system consists of a pumping mechanism for the paste, a balanced mixing system, a deposition head, and an automatic flow control. This system is able to reach a deposition rate of 120 kilograms per hour, which is around 200 times faster than a conventional additive manufacturing machine. The machine integrates wire arc additive manufacturing and can reach metal deposition rates of up to 1.5 liters per hour, depending on the geometry of the part. The Kraken project has also developed an arc spray metallization process based on metal alloys that enables the use of metal additive manufacturing on top of a polymer part. This new process, which can reach deposition rates of 6 kilograms per hour, opens new pathways for innovation in metallization. The high accuracy of the Kraken machine is achieved through a closed-loop control of robot motion and end effector position and orientation based on absolute laser tracking in real time. The machine also has a laser-tracked base scanner allowing for in-process geometry validation of semi-finished and finished parts. A vision-based monitoring system helps to analyze the surface quality and the resin extrusion process. This system comprises both hardware and software, including high-definition cameras that complement a stereoscopic machine vision system, as well as image acquisition, processing, and control software that is able to detect defects in the resin deposition process. These quality monitoring systems allow for early failure detection and correction, leading to significant reductions in operator and machine time, material waste, and total effort spent to 3D print different components and products. As part of the Kraken project, new computer-aided manufacturing software algorithms for hybrid manufacturing have been implemented, including planar horizontal layer strategies and new direct 3D freeform approaches. The project has also developed an e-learning platform with comprehensive information on hybrid and additive manufacturing processes and the Kraken machine. The main objective of this online platform is to become a vital resource for further developing and disseminating design, engineering and manufacturing knowledge and expertise in hybrid manufacturing and become a tool to overcome existing barriers in modern industrial production. Kraken, the all-in-one fully integrated hybrid manufacturing machine.